Yes, good morning students. Today is the second part of chapter 5th, Principle of Inheritance and Variation. In the previous part 1, we have covered about the definition of genetics, the variation and inheritance. Father of genetics, Giorgio John Mendel, about the life history of Mendel. It is very important to note that it is very important to note that after the death of Mendel, or you can say after the calculation observed by the Mendel, the work of Mendel remained unnoticed. Why the Mendel work remain unnoticed? Because sometimes he lack aggression, or he's you can say the behavior of Mendel was not very aggressive. So after the death, the Mendel work was rediscovered. After the death, Mendel work rediscovered by three scientists independently, and the name of the scientist is Hugo de Vries, Karl Correns, yes, Hugo de Vries, Correns, and Tesmark. These are three scientists, Hugo de Vries, Correns, and Tesmark, independently work and rediscover the work of Mendel, and it is very important. When the Mendel was alive, the work of Mendel was unnoticed. No one cared about the work or the discovery made by the Mendel. But later, when these three scientists rediscovered the Mendel work, so now uh, after the death of Mendel, you can say Mendel is regarded as father of genetics. Yes, seven pair of contrasting characters are selected by Mendel for the experiment. What are contrasting character? Contrasting character means just opposite character, and there are two type of characters are there: dominant character and recessive character. Dominant character are those which can express themselves, and recessive are those which cannot express themselves. So according to this, first character is height. Height has two contrasting character: tallness and dwarfness. Tallness is dominant character. Tallness is a dominant character, and dwarfness is a recessive character. Now, seed shape. So, seed is of two type. You can say round and wrinkled. Round and wrinkled. Round seed and wrinkled seed. Round is dominant over wrinkled. Seed color yellow and green. Yellow is dominant over green. Seed coat color green and white. Green is dominant. Pod shape, pod inflated or constricted. Pod color green and yellow. Flower position axial and terminal. These are some seven characters that are used by the Mendel for his experiment, and the single plant is used for his experiment, and the name of the plant is pea plant, Piscium sativum. Yes, this is the method how Mendel work, or how Mendel make a cross. So first, these are parental generation. These two are parental generation, parent P1 and parent P2. Parent P1 is tall, capital T, capital T. Parent P2 is dwarf, small t. And this capital T and small t will produce gametes. Capital T will produce a gamete, capital T, and small t will produce a gamete, small t. These gametes get combined. These gametes get combined to form capital T and small t. Capital T from first parent and small t from second parent, and these combine to form a complete individual. This is known as first generation. This is known as first generation. You can see, and all the plants in first generation are tall. All the plants in the first generation is tall. having the expression capital T and small t. Now these first generation plants are self-crossed, means these capital T small t first parent and capital T small t second parent is again choose to make a cross or to make a mating. Capital T small t will produce two type of gamete. First is capital T, second is small t, and second parent P2 also produce two type of gamete, capital T and small t. This capital T and small t will make a cross. You can see here. Capital T, let's suppose small t here, capital T here, small t. These are the gametes produced by first generation parents. Now for the expression capital T, capital T, capital T, small t. Capital T, small t, small t, and small t. These are the four type of result will be formed. This is tall. You can see this is also a tall plant. This is also a tall plant, and this is a dwarf plant. So the ratio will be 3:1. The ratio will be 3:1, and the genotype ratio will be, genotype means the number of you can say the arrangement of genes, and the genotype ratio is 1:2:1. So this is the method, or this is a procedure by which Mendel make every cross and make a result of every record also. Every cross record means he write the all the results obtained by his cross and maintain a proper booklet. So this is all about in today's lecture. Thank you.